Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your deleted items on your Android phone that are in your trash can. So if you swipe up and go to search and you just type in files, everything will be located in your files. So if you're on Samsung, this is going to be called My Files. You can just go to it here. And then we can go on down and the trash can should be listed on here, and we can go to it. And everything in here is deleted. And I believe this will delete permanently after 30 days. So you have time to recover it up until then. So you can go up to edit right here, or go to settings, and you can look at the different settings for this in here. And then I can go over to the other option for files too. So if I go to the regular Android files, this is what this will look like under here. And the trash can should be up here in the top left. Here's trash. We can just go to it. I only have Epic Games in here, so you can restore the item rather easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.